Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In the last video, I have explained you how to read the passage and how to understand the concept and what steps we have to follow. Okay, students. Now in this, let's see. I will take one passage here and I will explain you and I will answer the 5 questions. So that type you can practice some more passages also. So already I told you what we have to do first. First we have to read just a glance. At a glance we have to read the questions what they have asked here. So some of the questions they have given here: what gives energy to our body, and which of the following is not true. And they have given here 4 statements. And our body is better than an engine because the organ that controls our body is. They have given some different statements here. And the brain is better than computer because why it is better. Like this question they have given here. Now let's see that. Let's understand the passage first. Okay, now read the passage carefully. Our body is like an engine. See here, in the passage they want to tell us our body is like an engine. An engine needs coal. The coal is burnt. This gives energy to move. For an engine, it needs a coal. In the old engines nowadays we are using diesel, petrol, all things, but some engines are there, they need a coal. In olden days the trains were also runs by this coal only. Okay, an engine needs a coal. The coal burnt. When the coal will burn, that will give energy to move to engine. In the same way our body needs food. How the engine it needs coal, like that in the same way our body it needs food. Okay, which gives us energy when it is burned. When we will eat the food, that it will burn, means it will digest in our stomach, then it will give the energy. The body is even better than an engine because it can feel, smell, see, hear and taste. See here, the body means our body is even better than an engine. Why? Because it can feel. Because the engine it cannot feel, no. Our body we can feel that. We can smell, we can see, and we can hear and we can taste. But these all things the engine cannot do. So the body is better than the engine. It can even think and decide. Here, it can even think and decide. From our brain we will think and we will take decisions, but the engine can't do this one. The brain is most wonderful thing in our body. It is due to the brain that we see, feel and understand the things. See here, the brain it is a very wonderful thing in our body. Due to the brain we can see, we can feel and we can understand the things. It is just like a computer, means the brain, the human being's brain is just like a computer, but is better than that. Our brain is better than the computer because a computer can do what it is told to do. It cannot think because we have to give direction to the computer. But the brain we are able to think and we are able to take decision. But human brain can think and solve new problems. Our human brain it can think and it can solve the problems also. It is the brain that controls human behavior. Our behavior also controlled by the brain. Okay students, now I hope all of you understood this passage. This is a very small passage. Now you can pause the video and you can read one more time. Okay, students, now let's go to the question answers part. Let's see the first question here. The question number here, First question is what gives energy to our body? What gives energy to our body? Already you know that. They have given 4 options: coal, food, computer, and brain. So in this, the food is the answer. Food is the answer. Okay. Food gives us energy. If you read this properly, you will get answers easily. Okay, friends. Now let's go to the second question. So let's see the second question. Which of the following is not true for both the engine and the body? Here, we should not think in hurry burry. Which of the following? They have given here 4 statement. In this, which is not true? Here, not true. Which is not true? We have to find out. So here, first statement. Let's see. Both need energy, because engine also need energy and our body also need energy. So it is a true. Both can move. We can move, and engine also can move. Okay. So this is also true. Both can feel. See here, engines cannot feel. I told you in the passage also. So both cannot feel. Both can feel. This is the this is not true. This is not true, means this is the answer. Both need rest, means engine also need rest, human being also need rest. But engine after long time it need rest. Human being after the short time also sometimes we may take the rest. So this is not true. Okay, because both can feel. Here they told human being can feel, but engines they can't feel. Okay, students. Now let's see the third question. Our body is better than an engine because, here, our body is better than an engine. Why? Why? Because it is like a computer, first option, and it needs a food for energy. It can do things an engine cannot do. Here, third option is the right answer. It can do things an engine cannot do. So this one is the answer. Third one is the answer here. It can move without rails, and this is also not answer. Means here the question is our body is better than an engine because, why our body is better than engine? Because it can do things an engine cannot do. This is the right answer. So let's see fourth answer. Fourth question. The organ that controls our body. Which organ controls our body? It's very simple. In passage also I have told. Actually the answer is brain. So they have given options: the eye, the brain, the hands, and the stomach. Answer is the brain. It will control our body. Now last question. The brain is better than a computer because, the brain is better than a computer. Why it is better? It is a part of human body. Not answer. Controls our human behaviors. It's also not answer, because we have to comparing a computer. Can work without electricity. It's also not a perfect answer. It can think and solve the new problems. So this one, fourth one is the answer, because we can think, brain can think and solve the new problems. So this is the answer. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this one. This in this video I will explain you one passage. In the next video I will come with the all 4 passages. Means one question paper I will take and I will solve all the 4 passages. Students, like this we have to read a passage and we have to practice the question answer, how to answer. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this one. If you all understood, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you.